Ubiquiti Networks, UI, was up 35% on Friday. It's up another about 4% today. It's a stock we have supported. We could have been a bit stronger on it. We have done a video on it in the past, and we were bullish on it then. But Q4, because they have a June year end. June is normally Q2, but in this case it's Q4. It was kind of weak, and shares came way off then. We stuck with it, but we didn't really tout it in our videos, and maybe we should have. But we did hang on to it. We still liked it. Yes, growth was a little soft in the previous quarter, so we don't quite have Q1 yet, but investors loved it. It was up. The shares were up 35% on the day, as I said. I do want to jump in though and take a look at the previous quarter when the shares came down. Okay, so this is it's a high growth company, and you'll see that Q4, the June quarter, the revenue was only up 6.3%. You can see it had been running in the teens, even as high as 22% in the December quarter. Posting strong EBITDA, good margins, that sort of thing. And then when you come along with a 6% growth quarter, it's not that exciting for this kind of company that's supposed to be growing. So that's why the shares came down, and now they're back and running. I mean, it can happen like that sometimes. It's a little unusual, but now they're posting 14% revenue growth, good margins still. It's clearly a growth company. It's in the 5G space, so their products are wireless networks and routers and cameras and all the software to manage this. So it would be for a company. I don't think not too many individuals would buy this kind of stuff, but for a company that wants to have a nice wireless network, and the last mile as well, as we're kind of showing in this bottom part of the graphic there, they'll have a tower to supply that last mile of wireless. This fits with the 5G theme. It's really quite an exciting company. Let's take a better look at the actual profile. So you see the return on capital just humming along here in the mid 20s. It did kind of slip down to 23%, but then in June 2019, that's the latest Q4, 31%, and then again followed up by a good Q1 for them. Q1 is September. We don't have that data yet, but looking forward to getting that probably any day now. But I just want to get on it because it was up 35% on Friday, and still moving. We still like it. As you can see, the valuation looks pretty good in our work as well. So this is the kind of company we definitely like. High quality, good long-term results there, and still growing in the right space. Not even that expensive. So you got a lot of check marks with Ubiquiti, UI.